All right, let's breach. Hit it, Ike, and then bounce out the way. Oh, there's your body. There's a body. Open it, Steve. Let me see your hands.
When they opened the door, officers encountered a 53-year-old woman. They moved her out of the entryway, handcuffed her, and asked if anybody else was inside the house.
Okay, let's do announcements, English, Spanish, use of force.
Attention inside the house of the Chino Police Department.
Does she speak English? Who? Yeah, you do, because you just said no. How many people inside? Is there anybody else inside the house? You don't want to hurt anybody. You understand? Don't play games. Who's inside? How many people? Nobody.
Probably with you, sir.
We got to open the door to the garage here. That might be opening the
You got kitchen to the left. You going low, Steve? I'm over the top to the left.
Let me see your hands, dude.
Officers undergo significant training on how to provide aid. After the shooting, the officer called for help and immediately began rendering aid. Chino Valley Fire District paramedics rushed the man to a local hospital where he later died of his injuries. The man was identified as 49-year-old Li Shi Wong of Fontana. The home remained a crime scene for the next several hours as evidence was collected.